one of the points that I got so many questions of business is cash. And I think one of the questions I received in my first interview, if you have the choice to pick up one statement on the financial statement out of the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow, which one and why?
I start finance, and I chose the finance as a study because from early age I like numbers. I love working with numbers. So it was one of my hobbies. He's asking me why you think that you can do that. I said, I love this game.
You see the work as a game.
Exactly.
Do you think you fall in love with Treasury? Because you stayed in Treasury.
Yes.
Most of your career in that.
Yes, especially that. Maybe not the only job in finance, but one of the unique jobs in finance and in business in general, that you are dealing with the future more than you deal with the past. Because I can see the cash is everywhere. So no department are not looking for cash, either to collect money like CDs or to pay money like supply chain or HR, or even employees getting salary. So cash everywhere, and this cash is in and out. It's like blood in the heart. So you are receiving cash and injecting cash. Because my job is to get my material and manufacturing and sell it. And his job to give me my raw material or package material out there. But not me and him need to working as a bank. So we have the bank that have the money and willing to lend it. So this is not like win-win, it's win-win-win. So I win, the bank win, and my supplier win. The power of negotiation for the new startup, especially if the small and SMEs with the banks, it's not that strong, especially if they don't have track record. So banks, as I explained, in some countries, banks will require 3 years financials. Maybe the easiest one, it will be with their own customers, especially if they are dealing with big names. So they can ask them to joining their own supplier finance program, risk management, like forward deal, like swap, like options, trade finance, which is mainly to manage your import and export transactions. So letter of credit, which is called LCs, letter of guarantees, which is called LGs, IDCs, which is income documents for collection or documents for collection, standby LC.
So in that sense, I believe you've seen the evolvement of the banking and treasury across all that period of time.
Yeah, I see it in a sense. Everything that was in the pipe bin.
Exactly.
The only automated thing was the calculator.